Today's the 24 was 2024. What was the address here?
gatvė 24.
But here they had changed the
Yeah, unfortunately.
Yeah? All right?
Yeah.
Apartments 1 to 35. So Šeškinė, one of the suburbs of Vilnius, Lithuania. Ligger bäst i 2,320 grams.
Serial number is LF01033989.
Yeah. Yes. That's weird sounds.
Yeah, original.
It was still important, but because of this, only one right here.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva Inspectant, maintained by Kony.
And also somebody is coming,
Yeah.
so then we have to take pictures quickly.
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks for watching.
That's